Hi, in front of me is NOKIA 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can apply the different keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now select system and go into languages and input. Then virtual keyboard and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into theme and click on show more to see all available options. Now you can pick a color, tap on the switcher next to keyboards to disable or enable them and click apply, but you can also download one of the images and do exactly the same. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!